When it comes to surveying instruments, having the right accessories is crucial for accurate and efficient data collection. In Dankaur, there are several dealers who specialize in providing survey instrument accessories to meet the needs of professionals in the field. These dealers understand the importance of having high-quality accessories that are compatible with various survey instruments, and they strive to offer a wide range of options to cater to different requirements. One such dealer in Dankaur is Scon Design, known for their expertise in survey instrument accessories. They have established a reputation for delivering top-notch products that are reliable and durable. Whether you are in need of tripods, prism poles, adapters, or any other accessory, Scon Design has got you covered. Their team of knowledgeable professionals can guide you through the selection process, ensuring that you find the perfect accessory to complement your surveying instrument. What sets Scon Design apart from other dealers is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every client has unique needs and preferences, and they go above and beyond to provide personalized service. Whether you are a seasoned surveyor or just starting out in the field, their staff will take the time to understand your requirements and recommend the most suitable accessory for your specific project. In addition to their extensive range of survey instrument accessories, Scon Design also offers competitive pricing. They believe that high-quality products should be accessible to all professionals in the industry, regardless of their budget constraints. With their wide range of high-quality products, personalized service, competitive pricing, and commitment to staying up to date with the latest advancements in surveying technology, they are dedicated to meeting the needs of professionals in the field. Having the appropriate attachments for surveying devices is essential for precise and effective data collecting. There are a number of retailers in Dankaur who focus on offering survey instrument accessories to fulfill the demands of industry experts. These dealers work hard to provide a wide selection of solutions to meet a variety of needs because they recognize how important it is to have high-quality accessories that work with different survey instruments. Scon Design, a supplier well known for its knowledge of survey equipment attachments, is one such retailer in Dankaur. They have developed a reputation for providing high-caliber, dependable, and robust products. No matter what kind of accessory you require, tripods, prism poles, adapters, or anything else, Scon Design has you covered. Your choice will be aided by their staff of qualified experts who will make sure you choose the ideal addition to go with your surveying tool. Scon Design stands apart from other dealers thanks to their dedication to client satisfaction. They go above and above to provide individualized service since they are aware that each client has particular wants and preferences. No matter if you are an experienced surveyor or are just getting started, their experts will take the time to learn about your needs and offer the best accessory for your particular project. Scon Design not only has a wide